And last but not least, of course,
Nothing!
Dorothy. Thank you all for coming, but please do not leave yet.
No. You won't get breakfast in the morning.
A very special thank you to Jay and Miles on Spotlights. Thank you guys.
Yay!
To Jamie on sound and also doing the stage lighting. To the whole cast for volunteering their time to set up the site, or the stage sets. And the whole cast for their time involved in many rehearsals for this evening. Not over yet, so please stay in your seats for just a few more minutes. We got one last little surprise for you.
You got two.
If we can exit the stage, guys. Oh, actually, wait a minute. We're not going to exit the stage yet. If I could have Dorothy, the Wizard, the Lion, the Scarecrow, and the Tin Man up front, considering they are the lead characters. And we do need to do a final bow. The rest of the cast?
Get lost.
Get lost.
And final bow. Thank you very much.
Now you can leave.
What about the Toto contest?
We'll get there. Shut up, bitch.
Guess what I've been doing? Playing with your husband.
My ass is so